So we're gonna start with the makeup wipe, right? Don't judge it. Don't judge it. I did see Kyra do something. Kyra, I'm gonna try it. Some Dr. Bronner's and to do your face. Yep, so we're gonna try that right now. I have this lovely ones trying to come back into my life. So I've been up for the past few hours, and it is so hard to get sleep on a Sunday for me because I always feel like I have something to do. So today I have to do my laundry. I have to edit today's vlog. Today's Sunday. I have to edit today's vlog and make me something to eat, do my meal prep for the week, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I have a lot of laundry. So first off, don't judge me. I have a lot of laundry. I think I have 3 loads. And I have to go downstairs to do my laundry. So let's put some clothes on. Let's go do some laundry. But first, y'all already know, skincare. So my skin has been going through this like various change of weather. And I don't like it. I don't like it. So I had like a little outbreak here. I'm super transparent about my skin in general. So I had an outbreak here, and I just don't like here, but it's time. Maybe I need to go see a dermatologist. That's been like on my head for the past few weeks. So maybe I do need to go do that pretty soon. But I did just want to show y'all something that I am using now. I just want to tell y'all, I'm using the Clean Skin Club, the Redefining Clean. This is like a basic towel. It's like clean towels every single time. So this is really good for your face. I use this faithfully. So every time y'all see this white towel, if it's not a makeup wipe, it's this Clean Skin Club. And this is perfect for my skin. I do not have to continuously use washcloths. So it's like, which one would you rather? A washcloth or a clean towel? Clean towel for the win, all the time. And they're disposable, so you can really get into your face and then just throw it away. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Like this is crazy. Like this is what I use it for. And I normally kind of like pat my face afterwards because all the water is off and everything. So this like leaves my skin so good. And I try to use it because obviously we don't use the corners. I use it for my toner as well because it's easy kind of just going. And it absorbs so much of my toner. So I end up using less of my toner. So and it still gets up the dirt. Like if there's any other dirt on my face, it'll get it. And do the same thing, kind of just pat it through. If y'all not getting around y'all nose, y'all nasty. Look, I got around my nose, got that out. Okay, so let's continue the skincare routine. So now the skin is glowy. I put my hyaluronic acid on there, serum, and then I followed up with my healing ointment. I normally do that because my face needs the moisturizer. My face is a combination skin, and I just need that. So right now, let's put some clothes on. Let's get this clothes downstairs so that we can come back up and make something to eat because your girl is hungry. So this bag right here, this is all my laundry. We're gonna get it done. Let's go. So I am done with putting my clothes in the washer. Just gotta wait for that to get done. But I am in editing mode right now. I am editing for actually today's vlog. So if you haven't seen it, go back, go watch it, enjoy it. And this is what we're gonna be doing for the next few minutes. I was thinking about eating, then I had to change of heart. I don't want to eat yet. I'm gonna eat after my clothes are fully done, so that way I don't have to keep going back up and down the stairs. And once I do that, I'll be fully done for today. So yeah, let's get to editing, guys. Okay, so I am done editing my YouTube video for today. And then now I am waiting for my clothes to dry. I just put that in a dryer. So let's play some video games while that happens. I still don't want to eat yet. My food is not going to digest. I'm going to be very annoyed if I have to eat and then go downstairs. We're going to figure it out later on. But let's go play some games real quick. So guys, I decided to get a fruit cup. If y'all don't have a fruit cup thing in y'all life, y'all need a fruit cup. I have pineapple. Anyway, I have pineapples and I have peaches. Okay, I'm gonna get on the game with the guys. Don't be very low-key. Say what your Twitch is.
What's my Twitch?
You gotta spell it for everybody. I'm gonna link it, but you gotta spell it for everybody. So guys, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of us is it? 5 or 6 in a group. Blue. Okay, so 6 of us. 4 out of the 6 plays all the time. Probably the 5th one too, but he's always offline. So my Twitch is Curvacious Girl, CURVASIOUSGIRL, and I'm waiting for somebody to tell me theirs.
Oh, just flat up.
So I'm gonna link both of ours down below. We're trying to get into the habit of streaming every day. It's not gonna work all the time. People lag.
I'll do that.
Hey guys, so I am done with laundry. I'm done gaming with the guys for now. We'll probably catch up a little bit later. It is about 3 o'clock. And holiday loneliness, holiday depression is starting to kick in a little bit. So yesterday, I slept literally all day yesterday. Kind of didn't want to be bothered, kind of just was going with the flow of yesterday. But I also realized that I put my body through so freaking much on a daily basis. So if you know me, you know what I do on a daily basis. I work, come home, work again, do some more work after that. And I realized that next year will be 2 years. It'll make 2 whole years since I've been in the DMV area. And I have not really explored the way that I have wanted to. Actually ended up having the idea because the oddity, her name is Sophie, she did it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been here for about 2 years and I've not explored DC at all. So I need to explore DC. I need to get in tune with DC and just start networking a lot more. I love being home. I'm a homebody by nature. So I'm definitely going to start exploring what DC has to offer. So I have my book here. I'm gonna write 1 through 50. So I'm gonna write 50 things that I want to do in DC that I have not done as yet. And I am going to have a jar, and the jar is going to be from 1 to 50. So whatever is on this book, set in stone. I'm going to choose one every weekend that I'm not traveling, because of course the travel season and everything. Every weekend that I'm not traveling, I am going to be picking one, and whatever I choose will be what I do for that Saturday. So let's get started. So I am done. I wrote my 1 through 50, and now I just need to put these bad boys into a jar, and I'm actually going to choose from the jar of which one I should do. On Sunday, this Sunday, we are starting this weekend. We are starting, and I'm so excited because, like, which one am I going to choose? So let's see what happens. Let's see how far we go and get. If I am not traveling, then this will be my itinerary. And if no, I can't even say if it's not too cold, because if it's not too cold, that means that less people will be outside. So let's see what happens. I hope you guys had an amazing time with me today. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and of course subscribe here to YouTube. Later.